Hey, wonderfuls. You know how I like to make stuff and give stuff away? I want to do it again and have a little contest. So I made a shirt from a tarp. I'll link that video at the end of this one for a little context, but this is what happened during my first live stream. Tammy says I'll even send you a pic of me wearing it to the local Walmart. Yep, okay, I'm in. It's happening. Yep, send me your address and I will send you a Tarp Shirt. So I was anticipating a picture from Tammy wearing the shirt at Walmart, and that would have been great, but she went above and beyond. Check this out. So after laugh crying and watching that several times over, I asked for Tammy's permission to post it and decided I want to do all of that again. So to enter the contest, you need to be creative, willing to pay for the shipping, and leave a comment on this video saying what you want me to make you and from what sort of material. I will pick my favorite, maybe favorites, and make it up and send it to you on the stipulation that you send me a video featuring the item. I know, Tammy set the bar pretty high. She even gives a Tim Hortons shout out from the States. It can be conventional, like jewelry out of charms and chains, or less conventional, like a shirt from a tarp. Anything I've done before or anything your creative minds think of. Then in 2 weeks from the release of this video, I will go through all the comments and pick my favorite and let you know, and we'll get those sent out to you so you can hopefully provide a sweet little video back. I can't wait to see your comments. I'm stoked to make you something and send it out, but even more stoked to see the video of it afterwards.